Hello, this is Nijen,
Hello, this is Anatta.
and we want to talk about our upcoming 7 days session called OSHO Born Again.
Yes, it will be happening on December 8th to 14th in Toronto. We're both really excited about this work. We have been trained in India, and so we'll tell you a little bit about this work here.
So, OSHO Born Again is a 7 day process that consists of, guess how many? 7 days of 2 hours a day. And first hour, we're gonna enter our childhood, and second hour is sitting in silence.
Yeah, and what happens is in the first hour when we are just being a child and doing everything we ever want to do, it really brings us into this playful atmosphere and really allowing us a space to connect with our own energy. And so something in that playing, something get healed, and some vitality and energy is released again. And so in the second stage, in the sitting part, what happens is people tend to experience very deep experiences of meditation. And what is really beautiful about this type of silent sitting in this work is a natural relaxedness of the child. And so there's no seriousness to the posture, no seriousness to approaching meditation. So something more spontaneous, something more natural can be experienced in this work.
Why do we do this meditation? For me, childlikeness is something that I've lost.
And I've lost.
There's a great value for me in being as a child, being innocent, spontaneous, real, in the moment, sincere. That's the quality of meditation. That's the quality of this is something I want to be more and more. I want to bring that more into my life. It feels good.
Yeah, one of the things for me is something about this process really called out to me, because for a long while before I was kind of a little bit stuck on the past. And what's really beautiful about this work is that this is, although it's called meditative therapy, it is, you're not actually bringing the past in, but you bring the child energy in, which is alive still within every one of us. And so in the first part when we're playing, it's like moment to moment encounter with this child energy. So it's not about bring like the past, bring like the child again back from your first childhood out. No, like we're already adults, so that's not possible. But what is possible is these beautiful qualities that Nijen had mentioned, that we can bring them out again in our adult life. And so that we can still go through our day with some sense of wonder, say when we look at sky, when we are hugging our friend, we're open and soft like the child. So there's something really immensely valuable in that. And of course for each of us we value different things and we're gonna gain different qualities, which is kind of the fun, right? The experimentation, the play.
So we did a few tasters, OSHO Born Again, and the interesting thing that people said that it is so easy to slip into silence after experiencing of child energy, because child is so total. So you play so fully, and we bring our like fully total energy into this first hour. Then we get our brain, our body is ready to relax and rest. If you've seen kids really being involved in the game and the playing, you would see that they suddenly can just fall asleep in all the weird positions. You can play here and then just so that's a very natural continuation of being total in play and then being total in the meditative place. It's a very non-serious way of moving into silence, and sometimes meditation feels like a very serious thing.
Yeah.
And then we have to be enlightened, and we have to follow some path, 25 years or the whole life. And here is just very fun way of slipping into this place of silence and total relaxation.
Yeah, so this process is really a very open, a very free process. There is basically no restrictions except for, say, violence or trying to touch the others by escaping into other people. So we're not doing that in the sense that this is a very individual process, and you're going to discover many things about yourself, many things of like, oh wow, this energy is still there within me.
And it's really surprising what kind of games we are capable of playing.
Really, yes.
And how much creativity we actually have that we already forgot about. So by bringing this childhood, by giving us permission to be child again, there's so many surprises that I have seen and faced in myself and in my own behavior. So come and join us.
Come join us, it would be great fun. So you can visit the website or contact us, check out us on Facebook. We're here to answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching.